Have you ever wondered how to navigate the stock market maze and emerge with your pockets filled? In a world where financial success seems reserved for the few, we're here to shatter that myth. Buckle up as we unveil the secrets to effortless wealth creation in the stock market. From debunking common myths to unlocking foolproof strategies, this guide is your passport to financial freedom. So, are you ready to embark on a journey where easy money meets smart investing? Let's dive in and unlock the treasure trove of wealth-building techniques. Unveiling the buy and hold strategy. In the fast-paced world of stock trading, where every tick of the clock can spell profit or loss, the buy and hold strategy stands as a beacon of stability and success. This timeless approach advocates for a long-term mindset, urging investors to resist the allure of day-to-day market fluctuations and instead focus on the big picture. Rather than succumbing to the temptation of chasing quick gains through frequent buying and selling, proponents of buy and hold advocate for patience and perseverance. The essence of this strategy lies in its simplicity. Purchase quality stocks or securities and hold onto them for an extended period, allowing time and the market's natural upward trajectory to work their magic. While it may seem counterintuitive to eschew the excitement of constant trading, history has shown that this steady-as-she-goes approach often yields superior results in the long run. Consider this: while market timing may seem like a winning strategy on paper, the reality is far harsher. Investors who attempt to predict the market's every move often find themselves on the losing end, missing out on the substantial gains that accrue to those who remain steadfast in their investments. Moreover, the buy and hold strategy offers ancillary benefits beyond mere financial returns. By adopting a long-term perspective, investors can alleviate the stress and anxiety associated with constant market monitoring, freeing themselves to focus on other aspects of their lives. Harnessing the power of funds, diversification, the cornerstone of prudent investing, finds its zenith in the realm of stock funds. While individual stocks may hold allure with their tantalizing potential for astronomical gains, the inherent risks of putting all your eggs in one basket cannot be overstated. Enter stock funds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, the unsung heroes of portfolio diversification. These funds offer investors a one-stop solution to mitigating risk and maximizing returns. Instead of laboriously handpicking individual stocks, investors can effortlessly gain exposure to a diversified array of securities with a single share. This not only streamlines the investment process, but also significantly reduces the risk of catastrophic losses. Furthermore, stock funds provide access to markets and industries that may otherwise be inaccessible to individual investors. Whether it's emerging markets, technology stocks, or renewable energy companies, stock funds offer unparalleled exposure to a diverse range of sectors, allowing investors to capitalize on emerging trends and market opportunities. Perhaps the greatest allure of stock funds lies in their simplicity and accessibility. With a modest investment, investors can gain access to a professionally managed portfolio tailored to their risk tolerance and investment objectives. Moreover, the low fees associated with many index funds make them an attractive option for cost-conscious investors seeking to maximize their returns. In essence, stock funds offer a compelling alternative to the unpredictable world of individual stock picking. By embracing the power of diversification and entrusting their investments to seasoned fund managers, investors can navigate the turbulent waters of the stock market with confidence and ease. The compound effect: reinvesting dividends. In the realm of wealth creation, dividends play a pivotal role in fueling the engine of compound interest. While the allure of immediate gratification may prompt investors to pocket their dividend payments, the true power lies in reinvestment. This simple yet potent strategy enables investors to harness the full potential of their earnings, propelling their portfolios to new heights over time. The magic of dividend reinvestment lies in its ability to amplify the effects of compounding. With each dividend payment reinvested, investors acquire additional shares of the underlying asset, thereby magnifying their future dividend earnings. This snowball effect accelerates the growth of their investment portfolio, leading to exponential wealth accumulation over the long term. Moreover, dividend reinvestment offers a form of passive income generation, allowing investors to effortlessly reinvest their earnings without the need for active intervention. This hands-off approach not only simplifies the investment process, but also ensures a steady stream of wealth accumulation without the need for additional capital infusion. Furthermore, dividend reinvestment acts as a powerful antidote to the erosive effects of inflation. By continuously reinvesting their dividends, investors can effectively combat the diminishing purchasing power of their wealth, ensuring that their financial resources remain robust and resilient in the face of economic headwinds. In essence, dividend reinvestment serves as a cornerstone of prudent long-term investing, offering investors a reliable pathway to financial prosperity. By harnessing the power of compounding and embracing a patient, long-term mindset, investors can unlock the full potential of their investments and pave the way for a future of abundance and security. So heed the call of dividends, reinvest your earnings, and watch as your wealth grows exponentially with each passing dividend payment. Selecting the ideal investment account. Choosing the right investment account is akin to laying a solid foundation for your financial future. It's not merely a matter of convenience. It's a strategic decision that can have far-reaching implications for your wealth accumulation journey. As you navigate the myriad options available, consider the trade-offs between tax advantages, accessibility, and long-term growth potential. Retirement accounts, such as traditional IRAs and 401ks, offer enticing tax benefits that can turbocharge your wealth accumulation efforts. Contributions to these accounts may be tax-deductible, providing immediate relief on your tax bill. Furthermore, earnings within these accounts grow tax-deferred, allowing your investments to compound unhindered by the burden of taxation. However, these benefits come with strings attached, as early withdrawals before retirement age may incur penalties and taxes. On the other hand, taxable investment accounts offer unparalleled flexibility and accessibility. Unlike retirement accounts, there are no restrictions on when or how you can access your funds, allowing you to seize opportunities and navigate life's uncertainties with ease. Additionally, taxable accounts offer unique tax-saving strategies, such as tax loss harvesting, which can help mitigate tax liabilities and enhance after-tax returns. Ultimately, the ideal investment account depends on your individual financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. For long-term wealth accumulation, retirement accounts may offer unparalleled tax advantages and growth potential. However, if flexibility and accessibility are paramount, taxable investment accounts may be the preferred choice. In conclusion, selecting the ideal investment account requires careful consideration of your unique circumstances and objectives. Whether you prioritize tax efficiency, accessibility, or long-term growth, there's a solution tailored to your needs. So, weigh the trade-offs, consult with a financial advisor if needed, and embark on your wealth accumulation journey with confidence. As we draw the curtains on this insightful journey, remember that the road to financial success in the stock market is not paved with complexity, but rather simplicity and steadfastness. By embracing time-tested strategies like buy and hold, diversification, and dividend reinvestment, you hold the keys to unlock the doors of wealth. So, arm yourself with knowledge, exercise patience, and watch your investments flourish over time. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening expedition. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights. Until next time, happy investing.